Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Payoneer account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open a secure web browser on your phone or computer. Make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid loading issues. In the address bar, type Payoneer.com and press enter. On the top right corner of the website, click the sign in button. If you are on mobile, tap the menu icon first if you do not see sign in. Check that the page address starts with HTTPS to confirm it is secure. On the login page, click the field for email or username. Type the email address you used when creating your Payoneer account. Double-check for spelling mistakes and extra spaces. Click the password field to enter your password. Type your password carefully with correct uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want, enable the Show Password option to verify what you typed. If you are using a private device, you can select Remember Me for faster access next time. If you are on a shared device, leave Remember Me unchecked for better security. Click the Sign In button to continue. Wait a few seconds while Payoneer verifies your details. If you are asked for two-step verification, choose how to receive the code. Select SMS if you want the code sent to your registered phone number. Select email if you want the code sent to your registered email address. Enter the verification code exactly as you received it. Click Verify or continue to complete the security check. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the sign-in page. Enter your email and follow the reset link to create a new password. Return to the sign-in page and try logging in again with the new password. If you cannot access your email or phone, use the Account Recovery or Contact Support option. After signing in, confirm you see your dashboard with your balances and recent activity. For safety, review that your profile name and account details look correct. When you finish, click Log Out, especially if you are using a public or shared device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.